My video is about removing the ransomware called Ptqw, and this ransomware is, by the way, from the DJVU ransomware family. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But because of this Ptqw ransomware, the system may be in danger. Of course, remember that my video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. I got the sample of this ransomware on the VirusTotal database, by the way. So after users restart their computers, they suddenly realize that they can no longer access their data because of this ransomware. So the ransomware is called like that because it encrypts the files and appends this Ptqw extension to the file names, so it's impossible to use the data. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So don't waste your money, don't pay that ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only a quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on this Start Scan button, and then after you do that, the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. But most likely, first of all, it would update its anti-malware database. So don't skip that important step. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. And then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. Also, keep in mind that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. It helps to remove the ransomware, it helps to protect the files, but it does not decrypt the files. So we recommend you to upgrade to Premium. With Premium license, you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner, and also we recommend you to find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about this ransomware, and it will also give you certain recommendations that will help you to possibly recover your data.